Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to crochet round coaster in Mosaic crochet technique. Autumn. In this video, I used Scheepjes Catona yarn, which comes here in two colors, A, yellow, and B, olive, and crochet hook 5mm. For smaller coaster, I recommend to use Scheepjes Catona. I will put links in the description below. Throughout the video, I will demonstrate the key stitches for each round. Feel free to pause the video at any point to crochet along. Round 1, with yarn B, start into magic ring with chain 3, counts as double crochet. 11 double crochet. Join with the start of the round from the back, then switch to yarn A with slip stitch. Round 2. Chain 1, then crochet into the next stitch, back loop single crochet increase. Ensure you don't miss the last stitch, as it overlaps with the start of the round. One of the challenges in mosaic crochet is changing colors in each round while keeping your work neat and tidy. To achieve a clean and polished look, use the around join from the back technique. Here's how it works. Flip your work to the back side. Insert your hook from back to front through the top of the first stitch of the round. Next, insert your hook into the loop of last stitch. Pull this loop through the loop already on your hook. This creates a slip stitch that joins the round, but it's hidden on the back side of your work. Then start into next stitch. Round 3. Back loop single crochet, front loop double crochet. Round 4. Back loop single crochet, front loop double crochet increase. Round 5. 2 back loop single crochet, front loop double crochet. Round 6. Front loop double crochet, back loop single crochet, back loop single crochet increase, 2 back loop single crochet, front loop double crochet increase. Round 7. Back loop single crochet. Round 8. 2 back loop single crochet, back loop single crochet increase, back loop single crochet. Round 9. Back loop single crochet. Fasten off yarn. Weave in ends. After finishing the coaster, I recommend doing the blocking. Lay down item with wrong side up. Put wet towel on top. Iron shortly. This hot blocking type suits only cotton yarn. Now that you've completed your autumn mosaic coaster and learned the round join from the back technique, you're ready to add a touch of fall to your home decor. These coasters are not only functional but also a delightful expression of your creativity. Enjoy your cozy autumn evenings with a cup of your favorite hot beverage and the satisfaction of crafting something beautiful with your own hands. Thanks for joining us for this lesson on crocheting mosaic coaster. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we look forward to seeing your beautiful crochet creations. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.